Very good morning, Nana. Now I discuss fringe width, Nana. Okay? Yesterday I discussed this is the double slit, Nana. This is the screen, Nana. This is the slits S1, S2. What is the distance between two slits? Small d. What is the distance between two slits and screen? Capital D. Distance between two slits and screen is capital D. Okay? In this situation, central fringe always bright fringe. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెంటర్. S1 నుంచి ఓకి, S2 నుంచి ఓకి సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్. సింప్లీ డిస్టెన్సెస్ సేమ్. హియర్ టు హియర్ 5 meter, here to here 5 meter. What happens the path difference between two waves? 5 minus 5 0. Path difference 0. Automatically phase difference also 0 because phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. Path difference 0, phase difference also 0. Phase difference 0 means crest on the first wave, fall on the crest on the second wave. In this situation, bright band form. That is, crest fall on the crest. That interference is called constructive interference. We got maximum intensity. That's why at center always bright band form. In the situation, look here all of you. Next time also the dark. Next time also the bright. Next time also the dark. Simply next time also the bright. Simply Nana, the distance between two successive bright bands ORR, distance between two successive dark bands is called as fringe width. Fringe width denoted by beta. Here beta. Beta formula is, look here Arjun, lambda capital D by small d. Look here. What is the formula for what is the formula for fringe width? Fringe width formula is lambda capital D by small d. According to this situation, fringe width mainly depends upon the wavelength. For example, the first question is, I take visible spectrum. Visible spectrum VIBGYOR. In the VIBGYOR, violet wavelength is wavelength of the violet is 4000 angstrom. Wavelength of the red color is 7800 angstrom. Simply violet to red wavelength increases. Simply, for example, violet color is removed, red color light can be used. Simply, once again repeat, violet color replaced by red color. What happens? The wavelength of the light increases. Wavelength increases. What happens? The fringe width increases. Fringe width increases means distance between the bands increases on the screen. Second important notice, look here. Here initially light propagated in the air. Next, this system, all YDSC apparatus placed in liquid. The liquid best example is medium. Once again, This YDSC experiment conducted initially on air. Next, Nana, this YDSC experiment, immersed in the liquid. Question is, what happens the fringe width? What happens the fringe width? Okay, do you understand? Question అర్థమైంది కదా? First one. ఇక్కడ beta directly proportional to lambda. Simply beta medium by beta air, right side. Simply lambda medium by lambda air. Okay, look here, all of you. Refractive index definition, SSR చెప్పాడు. Velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in medium. Okay, air over vacuum initially. In the situation, velocity of the wave formula n lambda, n does not change. So this is lambda vacuum whole by lambda medium. Simply lambda vacuum by lambda medium write as mu. In this situation, lambda medium by lambda vacuum write as 1 by mu. Left side beta medium by beta air. What is the final formula? Fringe width in the medium is fringe width in air whole by mu. This is a very important formula, Nana. Look here. Fringe width in medium equal to fringe width in air. Fringe width in air whole by mu, Nana. In this situation, by mu వచ్చింది అంటే fringe width ఏమైనట్టు decrease. Simply this YDSC is initially in the vacuum. Next here medium is placed. Distance between the bands decreases by mu times. Okay, next, Nana. Okay, Nana, distance between the bands decreases by mu times. Look here, all of you, Nana. Next, Nana, fringe width kada. Next, I discuss angular fringe width. It is denoted by theta. Look here, all of you, Nana. This is the YDSC, Nana. This is the S1. This is the S2. Simply distance between two slits is small d. This is the screen, Nana. Look here, all of you. Screen ki slit ki distance denoted by capital D. This is the center of the screen. Look here, Nana. S1 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, S2 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, both are superimposed at a point P. Okay, here look here. S1 wave, S2 wave, both are superimposed at a point P. This point P is a distance from O is Y. In the situation, angular fringe width theta defined as, in this chapter I take theta is small, less than 5 degrees, theta write as tan theta. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is y, adjacent side is d. Here. Theta opposite by adjacent. Arjun, నిదానంగా చూస్తే అర్థమవుతున్నాను. Theta write as y by capital D. This is the formula for angular fringe width. In this case, the point P, first bright fringe form. Suppose at point P, first bright fringe form. First bright fringe form. In this situation, theta equal to bride ki madhya distance beta. Simply y write as beta. Again I repeat, this is the bride fringe, this is the successive bride fringe. The distance between two successive bride fringe is beta whole by d. Theta equal to beta by d. Theta equal to beta by d. But we know that fringe width formula. Look here, lambda d by small d, capital D, beta, dd cancel. Finally write theta value. The first formula is beta by d. The second formula is lambda by d. This is equation 2. This is the yash nana. Look here nana. Applications of the interference nana. Applications of interference. The first application, look here, very important concept nana. Look here, all of it. This is the YDSC, simply double slit nana. This is the screen nana. This is the screen nana. This is the center of the screen nana. In this situation, here at point P, S1 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, S2 నుంచి వచ్చిన వేవ్, both are superimposed at a point P. At a point P, both the waves are superimposed at a point P. In this situation, at point P, both the waves are superimposed. This is y. S1 ki S2 ki madhya distance is d. D is the distance between two slits. In the situation, look here, all of you. In the situation nana, theta nana, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. In this situation, look here once again. Here path difference formula is d sin theta. Yesterday I discussed. In the YDSC, path difference formula. Path difference means the difference between distance traveled by the two waves. This is the path difference formula. Okay. Here angle small, sin theta write as tan theta. Tan theta in the diagram opposite side by adjacent side. This is the left side. Very important formula, Arjun. Saket. This is the formula of path difference. Do you understand? Look here. Yesterday concept check it. In this situation, point P, nth fringe is formed. N1 fringe is formed. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రింజ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వచ్చు, సెకండ్ బ్రైట్ ఫ్రింజ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వచ్చు, థర్డ్ బ్రైట్ ఫ్రింజ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఫిఫ్త్ బ్రైట్ ఫ్రింజ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసిన లైట్ వేవ్ లెంత్ λ1. హియర్ ఎట్ పాయింట్ P nth bright fringe is formed. Path difference formula bright n lambda, n1 λ1. Right side d into y by capital D, equation number 1. Same point P. ఈసారి another wavelength is used, another light is used. That wavelength is λ2. Same point P, n2 bright fringes form. What is the path difference formula? D y by capital D. Here D does not change, y does not change, capital D does not change, but the fringe name is N2. Wavelength of the light is λ2. Equation number 2. At point P, here N2 fringe is formed. Right side, this is. Right side same, automatically left side same. N1 λ1 equal to N2 λ2. This is the very important formula, very useful to solve the problems. Next application, the second application. Look here, all of it. Find number of maximum observed. Number of maximas observed. In this situation, this is the screen, Nana. At center point, center of the screen, bright fringe form. The question is find number of maximas observed. That is the question. Okay na? In the situation, what is the path difference formula? Path difference in the YDSC is, what is the path difference formula in the YDSC? D sin theta. Here keyword maximas, intensity maxima, that is bright band. On the bright band, path difference formula is n lambda. In the right side, D sin theta. Path difference n lambda equal to D sin theta. In the situation, look here now. Here now, n lambda equal to D. Here find the number of maximum bright bands. In this situation, maximum means theta value 90. Because sin 0 0, sin 90 1, sin 180 0, sin 90 1. In the situation, what is the n value? N value is D by lambda. Look here. N value is D by lambda. Look here. Please look. Here n value is d by lambda in the situation. This is central fringe. Here bright band. Central fringe also bright band because path difference is 0. Crust fall on the crust. Here nana ఇది మిడిల్ పైన ఎన్ని బ్రైట్ బ్యాండ్స్ వచ్చినాయి 3. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అలానే కింద కూడా ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి 3 అంటే మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి ఇప్పుడు ఇది మనం కనుక్కున్నాం ఎన్ని ఇది n అనా అలానే కింద ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి సేమ్ 3 ఇది కూడా n మధ్యలో ఒకటి అంటే సింప్లీ ఫైండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మాక్సిమాస్ అంటే 2n plus 1. Once again I repeat. Suppose n value becomes 3 వచ్చింది. 3 means center ఇది bright. According to interference concept కింద కూడా bright. మొత్తం ఎన్ని 6. మిడిల్ ఎంత 1. 6 plus 1 ఎంత 7. That write as 2n plus 1. This is the once again repeat. Find number of maximas observed. Find number of maximas observed is 2n plus 1. Here what is the formula for n? Directly the formula for n is d by lambda. Here lambda is wavelength of the light, d is distance between two slates. Next concept, Nana. Look here, all of you. The next concept is visibility. Look here, all of you, Nana. The next concept is visibility of the band. Fringe visibility. This is also called as visibility or fringe visibility. Fringe visibility is defined as, look here Nana, I maximum minus I minimum whole by I maximum plus I minimum. Once again I repeat, fringe visibility is defined as I maximum minus I minimum by I maximum plus I minimum. Here I maximum means maximum intensity. This is minimum intensity. What is the intensity formula? Intensity of the band is given by, look here Nana, intensity of the, these waves are coherent waves. What is the maximum intensity formula? Root I1 plus root I2 whole square. This write as, look here Nana, I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2. What is the formula for maximum intensity? సార్ చూడాలి ఎన్టీఆర్ గారు
మాట్లాడారు సార్ మా బాధను డబ్బు ఇచ్చి పంపించారని చెప్తున్నాడు. వీళ్ళు మా బాబా అన్నారు సార్ వీళ్ళు బయటనే పెద్ద ముందు
మాట్లాడచ్చు మ్యాక్సిమం మాట్లాడాలి చెప్పు
రామ సార్
మ్యాక్సిమం ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ హియర్. అలానే మినిమమ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఫార్ములా లుక్ హియర్ అర్జున్, రూట్ I1 మైనస్ రూట్ I2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. Here a minus b whole square expansion is I1 plus I2 minus 2 root I1 I2. Look here. Here substitute. Here the concept is fringe visibility. Here substitute. I maximum value, I minimum value here substitute. finally in the numerator 4 into root I1 root I2 whole by, okay Nana, I maximum minus I minimum, I1 I2 I1 I2 cancel, 4 into root I1 root I2 whole by, in the denominator 2 into, look here Nana, I1 plus I2, here substitute I maximum, here substitute I minimum, we get, this is the formula for visibility. This is the formula for visibility. What is the formula for visibility? 4 into under root I1 root I2 by 2 into I1 plus I2. Okay? This is the formula for visibility. Visibility. In the situation, suppose I minimum is 0. Its meaning is minimum intensity 0 means the band is completely dark band formed on the screen. In the situation, here substitute I minimum 0, I minimum 0, it's 1 cancel, visibility is 1. Visibility is 1, its meaning is on the screen. On the screen, bright band, dark band, bright band, dark band, clearly visible. Clearly visible. Okay? Here, next case none. The second case is I minimum equal to I maximum, suppose. Both bands intensity is same. In the situation, I minus I cancel, visibility means 0. In the situation, no bands are formed. Complete light uniform illumination is formed. Its meaning is here no bands are distinguished. No bands are distinguished. Visibility is 0. Bands are clearly visible. Bright and dark bands neatly distinguishable. But visibility is 0. Its meaning is uniform illumination of light formed on the screen. Do you understand? Look here. V value always 0 to 1. V value 0, its meaning is no bands are distinguishable. V value 1, bands are neatly visible. Neatly visible. Next one. The question is, last question today Nana. The question is missing wavelengths. Missing wavelengths. Here, first to see the concept. This is the S1, this is the S2. Distance between two slits is D. This is the screen. Here, capital D is distance between slits and screen. In this situation, this is the center of the screen. Okay? Here point P, where the two waves are superimposed, that is point P. Point P just opposite to the upper slit. Point P just opposite to the upper slit. That is the question. In the situation, this is S2 wave here, straight going. It is the distance traveling, capital D. Here. Look here. This is S2P. Here also wave. Both the waves are superimposed at point P. The point P opposite to the upper slit. In the situation, look here now. This is the triangle now. S1, P, S2. In the situation, S2P right as, S2P right as, under root, S1 की S2 की मध्य distance D, S1P distance D, this here to here capital D, S1 की S2 की मध्य distance small d. This is the right angle triangle. Which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. According to this situation, d square plus d square. Look here. Look here nana. Pythagoras theorem. ఇది తెలుసు కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు నాకు ఏమొద్దు, పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పండి చాలు. ఇక ఆపేద్దాం ఈ క్లాస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ప్రాబ్లం చేయించేస్తాం. పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పండి నాకు. అలాఫీ లుక్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్? పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్ మీన్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద సెకండ్ వేవ్ S2P, అదేగా ఎక్కువ ఉంది, మైనస్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్డ్ బై ద ఫస్ట్ వేవ్. ఇది 7 meters ట్రావెల్ చేసింది, ఇది 6 meters ట్రావెల్ చేసింది. ఎంత ఎక్సెస్ ఉంది అన్నాం? 1. 7 minus 6. In the situation, S2P value we know that under root d square plus d square minus S1P right as d. In the situation, right side d square common. Babu, Vinali Kondalu, d square common. In the situation, 1 plus d square by d square minus d. In the situation, right side common term is d square out d. Here, look here nana. 1 plus d square by d square whole power root right as 1 by 2 minus d. In the situation, here point P opposite to the upper slit. What is the path difference formula according to question? Path difference formula is d into, look here, 1 plus x whole power n. The binomial expansion 1 plus x whole power n right as 1 plus nx. N value is half. 1 plus x whole power n right as 1 plus nx. N value is half. X value is d square by d square minus d. Here all will be common term is d. Here 1 plus d square by 2d square minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1d cancel. Finally d square by 2d. Here the heading is missing wavelengths. Look here all of you. The heading is missing wavelengths. Missing means dark band. In the dark band, path difference formula morning nunchi cheptuna. 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2, dark band. Why here take dark band? The condition is missing wavelength. Right side d square by 2d. 2 to what? Cancel. What is the formula for lambda? Here d square by, look here all of you, 2n minus 1 into capital D. Numerator other side, denominator. In the situation, this is the formula for missing wavelength. Here n value 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here nana the missing wavelength is n value 1. Here substitute simply d square by d. n value 2, finally d square by 3d. Next n value 3 substitute d square by 5d and so on. These are called missing wavelengths. Point P is just opposite to the upper slit. Next subheading, presenting wavelengths. Here point P opposite to the upper slit. What is the path difference formula? D square by 2d. In the previous missing wavelengths, this is presenting wavelengths, simply brideband. What is the condition for brideband for path difference? N lambda. In the situation, lambda is d square by 2nd. Here, what is the n values? N values are 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the situation, presenting wavelengths are n value 1, here substitute d square by 2d, comma n value 2, d square by 4d, n value 3, d square by 6d and so on. These wavelengths are called presenting wavelengths. Please write down.